and welcome to this tutorial on position. Find the pattern in the next two boxes. Using the PPRANSS mnemonic, have a think about the important rules for this pattern. The rules position and rotation are important for this pattern. For your 11 Plus exam, it can be useful to jot down some notes of all the rules for each shape. Starting with the blue shape, it is changing direction from right to left and then to right. Or the shape is rotating by 180 degrees. Now that we know the rule for the blue shape, let's focus on the white shape. At each step, it is changing its position. The white shape moves to each corner in a clockwise direction. Now that we know all the rules for each shape in this pattern, let's find the pattern in the next two boxes. Starting with the blue shape, it rotates by 180 degrees. Therefore, it should now point to the left and then to the right. Focusing on the white shape, it moves to each corner in a clockwise direction. Therefore, it should now reposition from the top right to the bottom right and then the bottom left. Well done if you got the correct answers.
To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 Plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.